framework or maybe things to start with?
Yeah, so again, as I said, you need to go back in the history. What was this person doing previously? And if they haven't managed any business, what's their education background? So many years ago, I'm talking about 2012, there was a very small company, Aztec Life Sciences. I didn't know much about the promoter, Ashok Hiramat. Um, so I looked up, I did Googling, and I figured out that he is from Oxford. He's done his education there, and I got hold of some YouTube videos. You got to see what do you do when you go and meet someone for a relationship. It could be a date, it could be anything. What attributes you look for in that person? You look for character, you look for competence, you look for energy, ethics, so on and so forth. So again, try and validate those key attributes in any person. Don't get too much hung up about the business as such, because there will be very limited information on that small cap. And if the person is credible and trustworthy, they will figure it out. You don't have to. So if I take chemicals as an example, you don't have to understand each and every molecule, but the management should be able to. The scientists who are working there, they should be able to understand, and they are my proxy. So research as much as you can on the background, then look at the balance sheet and the cash flows. What have they done over a period of, let's say, 5 years? What was the operating cash flow in 2015, 2017, 18 period, and what's the operating cash flow today? What sort of gross block they have added? What are they saying if they are doing earnings call on a quarterly basis? What's their thought process? Why they are saying what they are saying? Is it in line with the competitors commentary, or is it not? So you have to have, it takes a while to complete your research and due diligence. And there should never be any rush to take a 5% exposure in a jiffy. Take your time, because if it's a longer term story, if the management is good, capable, trustworthy, the compounding will happen. It may not happen over the next 2 years, but eventually it will. That's how I would address that. But good question.